Welcome to the 2025 Toyota Tundra review. Experience the ultimate blend of power, durability, and technology. The 2025 Toyota Tundra is redefining the full-size pickup truck experience. In this presentation, we'll take you through the Tundra's rugged exterior design, premium interior features, advanced technology, and impressive performance capabilities. Get ready to unleash the ultimate driving experience. Exterior design. The 2025 Tundra boasts a bold and aggressive design, featuring new LED headlights with daytime running lights, Toyota's signature grille, 20-inch alloy wheels, power folding exterior mirrors, LED fog lights, rear spoiler. Its muscular lines and commanding stance command respect on and off the road. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Tundra offers premium leather appointed seating for 5 passengers, heated and ventilated front seats, 14-inch touchscreen display, Toyota's Entune infotainment system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, Wi-Fi hotspot, by dual zone automatic climate control, safety and driver assistance. Safety features include Toyota Safety Sense PTSSP, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, rear view camera, automatic emergency braking, powertrain and performance. The 2025 Tundra boasts 3.5L twin-turbo V6 engine, 409 HP, 479 lb-ft torque, 5.7L V8 engine, 381 HP, 401 lb-ft torque, 10-speed automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive system, performance capabilities. With its advanced suspension system, electronic stability control, crawl control, low-speed off-road system, multi-terrain select system. The Tundra delivers exceptional capability, towing capacity up to 12,000 lbs, payload capacity up to 2,000 lbs, ground clearance 10.9 inches, trim levels and pricing. The 2025 Toyota Tundra is available in 5 trim levels. SR5 starting at $36,995. Limited starting at $43,995. Platinum starting at $50,995. 1794 edition starting at $53,995. TRD Pro starting at $56,995. Each trim offers unique features and upgrades to suit various driving needs.